My name is Sarah. I am 10 years old. My birthday is on March 5th. This year, I had a big birthday party at my house. It was a very happy day. I invited my friends to the party. I invited 10 friends from my school and my neighbors. My parents helped me with the party. We cleaned the house and decorated the living room with balloons and lights. Everything looked beautiful. The party started at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. My friends came with gifts. They said, "Happy birthday, Sarah." I felt very happy and excited. I wore a new pink dress. My mom made a big chocolate cake. It had my name on it and 10 candles. First, we sang songs and danced. Then, we played games like musical chairs and hide and seek. We laughed a lot. After that, we ate some snacks. There were sandwiches, pizza, juice, and cookies. Later, my parents brought the cake. Everyone sang the Happy Birthday song. I made a wish and blew out the candles. Then, we ate the cake. It was very tasty. I opened my gifts. I got books, toys, a doll, and a puzzle. I said thank you to everyone. I was so happy with all the presents. At the end, we took pictures together. My friends went home at 7 o'clock. I was tired but very happy. It was a great birthday party. I will never forget it.